Hello and welcome to the new series of Drishti IAS. I am Ritu and today's session is about Spardex mission, and this session is important for your GS 3 perspective. So this is the year end and this is the last mission of ISRO for the 2024, and this session is, I have already told you, that important for your GS 3 perspective, science and technology. So coming to the discussion part. So first of all, we are going to discuss the news, then we'll have a discussion on the mission, that what is Spardex mission. Then we are going to discuss few key terms. Suppose that docking, rendezvous and practice question for prelims. Before that, you have to like, share and subscribe to our Drishti IAS channel. Moving towards the news part. So the news is that Indian Space Research Organization is set to launch space docking experiment, in short Spardex mission, today by 9:58 p.m. from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh, and the mission will use the PSLV C-60. So this is a brief information that who is going to launch. So Spardex mission is going to launch by the ISRO, and from where? So from Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. Mission part. So the primary objective of the mission is to develop and demonstrate the technology which can be used for rendezvous, docking, undocking of two small spacecraft. So here there is a two small spacecraft, and what's their name? So SDX-01 the Chaser and XDX-02 the Target, in a low Earth circular orbit, and because of a small size, their small precision is required. Because of a small size, so fine precision is required. For the rendezvous and the docking. So here we'll also discuss that what is rendezvous and what is docking. And the mission will serve as a precursor for the autonomous docking needed for future lunar missions such as Chandrayaan-4 without relying on the GNSS from Earth. So we need GNSS for SPS, for the positioning, for the navigation, for the timing. But if we can have this kind of technology, so we do not have to rely on the GNSS. So this is a precursor for the Chandrayaan-4. So here we come to the discuss about that. Currently, only 3 countries, United States, Russia and China, have the capability of to dock 2 spacecraft in outer space, and India is going to become the 4th country to have this docking technology. So here we'll discuss that what is this docking. So docking refers to the aligning and physically connecting 2 spacecraft in a space. So this is very important for your examination. They can ask questions like that what is docking. So docking refers to the aligning and connecting 2 spacecraft in a space, such as satellites, and here we have 2 satellites, SDX-1 and XDX-2, and they will orbit the Earth at an altitude of 470 km, and here the satellites will initially close proximity, but after 24 hours they will drift apart. And like all ISRO satellites in low Earth orbit, both Spardex spacecraft carry a differential GNSS based satellite positioning system. And what's the uses of the GNSS based satellite positioning system? So it can provide position, navigation and timing solution for the satellites. So here what is important takeaway for your examination? That docking refers to the process of aligning and physically connecting the 2 spacecraft, and here we have 2 spacecraft, SDX-1 and XDX-2, and initially they will be in the close proximity, but after 24 hours they will drift apart. So this is about the docking. Now we'll come to the rendezvous. So what is rendezvous? So we had rendezvous is the target spacecraft propulsion system will prevent the satellites from drifting apart and maintain a distance of 20 km between them. So the rendezvous means to prevent the satellites from drifting apart and maintain a distance of 20 km between them. So basically to prevent satellites from drifting apart, it means the rendezvous, a process known as far rendezvous. So this is about the far rendezvous. So we had discussed about the docking, we had discussed about the far rendezvous and who is going to launch Spardex mission. So ISRO is going to launch, and where it is going to launch? So Satish Harikota is the place, and Satish Dhawan Harikota is the place, and by 9:58 p.m. it is going to be launched, and it has the usage of PSLV C-60. So now we'll come to the question part. What is the primary objective of the Spardex mission? So to study lunar surface composition, to develop technology for rendezvous and docking of small spacecraft, to deploy satellites in geostationary orbit, to test GNSS system for interplanetary missions. So this is very important question for your prelims examination. You can answer into the comment section. That's it for today's session, and you have to also take care of the discount. This is the 30th December. So the discount is available till 31st of December. So you can register, you can call on to the number, and the calling number is 87501, and you can also think and discuss this topic for your mains perspective, that how ISRO is contributing into the space mission, what is the role of ISRO into development of different spacecraft, how India is giving and setting an example for developing countries to have their own space agencies, and that too successful. So these are the prospective questions which you can discuss for your mains. So thank you. Have a nice day.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.